welcome to Hoojies Garage. So what is it that I have here today and that stands here and is charging a bit right now? Well, a Nissan Leaf Generation 2, you're kind of familiar with it, I think. The Leaf Generation 2 is quite a bit funnier to drive, way more alert and agile in through curves and so on compared to the Generation 1, and I'm starting to like this car a bit, I must say. And as you can see, I've just swapped from winter tires to summer tires, and these summer tires, they stand out a bit. It's unusual to see a Leaf with these kind of wheels, and this is because this is not a normal Leaf, this is a Leaf Nismo. So Nissan Motorsports decided to make, you know, some kind of upgrade of the car. Of course, it's not really a track toy or something like that, but they've made it a bit more interesting. So of course there are these 18-inch wheels that are added, but the battery is a small one because it's 150 kilos lighter than the big battery. So it has this 40 kilowatt hour battery, not this 60 something that's on this E+. But it has the E+ motor. So it has some 215 horsepower, which, well, not too bad. This specific car has probably had a little accident or something, because there should have been a blue splitter under the spoiler, so I think I will have to get one of those. Exterior wise, then, well, it has a little badge or sticker at the rear end here. It has a rear wiper delete. Otherwise, I would say this is, yeah, that's kind of what it's to it. But there's one more thing. If you remember the BMW i8, I drove one of those some years ago, and one thing struck me as I was in that car, and I put the gear lever over to sport, or if it's that way, I don't know, and then the engine note or engine sound just changed instantly like that. And at first I thought, is that a valve that is opening up now? Or but then I learned that they have an external loudspeaker on that i8, and it sits in the wheel arch left rear somewhere. Now Nismo wanted to do something similar, but of course this is purely electric, so they engaged a German company that works with those kind of loudspeaker systems, or external engine sound loudspeaker systems, maybe you should call it that. They have it for quite a lot of combustion engine cars, but in their product lineup they also have something for the Audi e-tron, the e-tron GT, not the normal one, the GT. Maybe it's the normal one also, I don't know. But so this car has a system from Maxhaust, and it's not just one in here, it is one on each side. And I must say that I think I should say it's fantastic. And of course I will show you, so I will take it out and you will hear. Oh well, it's really something. These wheels make the steering much better, and the sound is just awesome. So well, that's all from Hoojies Garage today. Take care, bye bye.